everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Today we are going to visit Wuxi Haila Metal Products Company.
As we know, Wuxi is one of the largest stainless steel distribution centers in China, which makes stainless steel products here have many advantages. I believe you guys have also noticed these are our stainless steel coil. These materials are used by high-quality products. On my left side is our stainless steel on-coil machine. We can see this beautiful stainless steel coil is cut by steel plate. We will cut it into a suitable size according to the customer's requirements. The cut steel plate will be transported to the floor palletized by conveyor belt. We use graph paper to wipe the stainless steel tightly to avoid scratches. We also place fumigation wooden brackets underneath. This is semi-finished products area. Now we can see here is our polishing machine for sheet. We can produce number 4 or hairline with PVC according to customers' requirements. Here is our polishing machine for coil. Now we are going to visit our stainless steel production line. The stainless steel coil will be proceed into stainless steel strip. The rest also can be customized. We can notice that the material is cut very smooth and beautiful.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.